Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugins tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. They allow you to add many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called ClearChat. This plugin allows you to clear the server chat. This plugin is helpful if the chat is getting spammed and to reduce lag. Starting out, make sure to install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. After installing the plugin, restart and head into your server. Once there are a few simple commands this plugin uses. To access the plugin's help page, type the command \clearchat help. To reload the plugin's config, type the command \clearchat reload. And to clear the chat, type the command \cc. When you use this command, you will know it worked because a confirmation will appear at the bottom that states you have successfully cleared the chat. It's that simple. If you have any more questions or want to check out more features that this plugin has, I will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can incorporate the ClearChat plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.